Join my Accelerate Lab session covering a day in the life of a comp admin. You'll learn system maintenance, such as understanding scheduler, admin options, and portal access.
Join me at Accelerate, where we're going to be covering some Varicent ELT. You'll learn how to prepare and automate your data in Varicent applications.
Welcome to my Accelerate Lab session, Testing Your Varicent ICM Model. We will begin by talking about different testing processes. We will then talk about the Varicent testing process from planning, preparation, all the way through your execution.
Join my Accelerate Lab session covering the Varicent Incentives for Growth solution. By attending, you'll hear what Incentives for Growth is all about, work with the people and plan modules using common business requirements.
Join my Accelerate Lab sessions covering how to use Presenter Adaptive and configure workflows. By attending, you'll learn how to create your own Presenter Adaptive reports that display your sellers' real-time performance with full transparency. In addition, you'll learn how to design, implement, and maintain your own workflows to help your business automate processes such as plan acknowledgements.
This is going to be a great opportunity to get some hands-on learning.
Don't wait!
Register for Accelerate.